Hi, I'm Eva from Bourne. I'm going to talk to you about Songbird Naturals. Songbird Naturals are a New Zealand brand, and they're just natural ingredients, so the active ingredients in all of them are olive oil and beeswax and polis as well, which is fantastic for nappy rash. The Bee Balm is, like I said, fantastic as a nappy balm. It's also great for eczema and sore skin, so it's something that once people find out about, they absolutely love. One of my favourite products actually, which I use with myself and my children, is this chest and throat rub. It's fantastic for when you've got a congested chest or nasal areas as well. With a newborn or a baby under a year, you would mix this chest balm with the Bee Balm and make sure you don't use more than about 30% of the chest balm to 70% of the Bee Balm, and then that can be used on a baby's chest. But as they're older, when they're toddlers, then it can be used straight, but it is quite potent stuff, so just be aware that you should obviously avoid eye area. The other great thing that they do that we sell a lot of is this bug balm all year round. You can get bitten nowadays, but on holidays for mosquitoes and midges and other biting insects, this is fantastic to put on pulse points and just stops your child or yourself from getting bitten. Both of these two contain essential oils, which are the active ingredients for the chest rub and the bug balm. The essential oils in here are eucalyptus and citronella, two well-known essential oils for repelling bugs. The great thing about this is it doesn't go off. I've had my pot for years and it's lasted and lasted. There's something about the ingredients, maybe it's the propolis that keeps it going forever, but it just does last, and it's something that doesn't cost much but will last your family, and it's a really nice alternative to balms and things that would otherwise contain petroleum based ingredients.